Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to remove a tail light if you want to replace a bulb inside the tail light with the marker light. So that's how you would remove it. First you gotta remove these two bolts here. Then you need a tool, something like this. And you see those spots here where you would insert it. But you gotta do this careful not to scratch the vehicle or damage the headlight. Well, this one's kind of loose. There we go. So, and then just pull it out like this, and you can turn it like that. And if you want to replace a marker light, you can just twist this like that and pull it out. But I'm not going to pull it out. So. And then replace the bulb. I'm going to remove the disconnect this plug here and disconnect this one as well. Then you can just open this up here. So it opens like that. And then this one opens as well. And then simply remove this, and you can see the bulbs which you can replace. So this is Range Rover 2003. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. We have more videos on Range Rover 2003. So thanks for watching.